Hydrophobic materials repel water. Water is constantly dripping onto the surface of this hydrophobic material, but it stays completely dry. If we put water on an ordinary glass slide, the water sticks, and it of course gets wet.
This is an example of a hydrophilic material, and the water will stick. And this is an example of a super hydrophobic material where the water doesn't stick.
A drop of water on the surface of a hydrophobic material is also much more spherical than a drop of water on an ordinary surface. Surfaces found in nature are also hydrophobic. This is sometimes called the lotus effect because lotus leaves display this property. The explanation for the lotus effect was not discovered until scientists could use the scanning electron microscope to study hydrophobic materials. Lotus effect leaves appear to have tiny bumps on their surface. Ordinary leaves are smooth. A treated hydrophobic copper surface has similar bumps. Ordinary copper has scratches on it, but is much smoother. Luis's nanostructured polymers have tiny patterns as well. The properties of these materials are determined at the nanoscale. Because the valleys between the bumps are too small for water to get into, the water stays suspended on top of the bumps. The attraction of water molecules to each other in the droplet causes the water at the surface of the droplet to be pulled back into the drop. This surface tension makes the drop round instead of flat.